everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. It's this way here. It is a farewell fancy card, so I guess for somebody who's leaving a job or something. Let's see what it says here inside. So we have the farewell, and it's kind of like a little, almost, sticks because of suction here. And then it says, you can see, it's got a little heart, and it says, best wishes. We will miss you. You are the best very much. Miss you very much. Good luck. Goodbye. Farewell. So if someone's moving, it would be good. Or if someone's leaving a job or something like that, you can have this and everyone can sign it. It's a really nice card. It's just a nice little keepsake for somebody if they've been around for a while and leaving town or whatever. This would be good. Probably I'll use it for like when one of my friends' families or something like that decides to leave, and this will be something that everyone can sign in the neighborhood. So kind of a nice little card, and you see it's good. So if someone leaves a job or whatever, you got it. So it's a nice little farewell card. Thumbs up for sure.